Hello friends, welcome to Tevo's World Recipes. Today we bring you a classic Middle Eastern recipe, Baba Ghanoush. It's delicious, it takes a few ingredients, it has no cholesterol, and it has no meat, but it's a very classic dish that you can find all over the Middle East. In today's case, we're gonna make a recipe that we learned from some friends from Lebanon. So let's get cooking. The ingredients we're gonna need are 2 eggplants or aubergines, 3/4 cup of tahini, 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 pomegranate, 1 tablespoon of pomegranate molasses, parsley for garnish, and salt to taste. For a recipe, we're going to need some tahini. You can buy it from the store, or in this case, we're going to make our own. We're going to take a couple of cups of sesame seeds and we're going to toast them on the stove for a few minutes. Once they start changing to this golden color, we're ready, and we're going to transfer them to our food processor. Tahini paste is just 100% sesame seed paste, so we're just going to puree them for a few minutes, and then we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. In this case, I'm adding half a tablespoon. This is just to help and make it more liquid. We're going to continue mixing. And then our tahini is ready. It's as simple as that, and I think it's better than store-bought. Now we're going to take our eggplants and we're going to cover them in foil as we're going to roast them in the oven. You can also roast them in a charcoal grill if you have one. We're going to put them in the oven at 400 degrees between 25 and 30 minutes. As our eggplants or aubergines are in the oven, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you want to know when new videos are coming, click on the bell. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a like at the end. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram or Facebook. Now, let's get back to the kitchen. After our eggplants have roasted, we're going to cut them open in half. And using a spoon, we're going to scrape all the meat and put it in a colander. We want to remove all the excess moist from it. Then we're going to transfer our eggplants to our food processor. We're going to add our garlic cloves, our cumin, we're going to add a little bit of salt. And we're going to add our tahini. Then we're going to add the lemon juice. We need about a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. I'm just going to squeeze it directly on my food processor. Once everything is ready, we're going to puree our Baba Ghanoush. It's going to take a few minutes. And now our Baba Ghanoush is ready. We're going to transfer it to a serving plate. Then using a spoon, I'm going to create some grooves on top of it as we're going to add our garnishes. I'm going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. We're going to add the pomegranate molasses. Our parsley. And our pomegranate seeds. These are optional, and you can substitute with sumac as well. Our Baba Ghanoush is ready. I have some pita bread to try it, so let's see. So rich and creamy. It's delicious. It's very healthy, and there's no meat in this dish. You should give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.